Hello, hackathon participants. My name is Graham Steele. I'm a senior product marketing manager at Groq, and today I'll be giving you a brief introduction to Groq, showing how you can get started with Groq Cloud, as well as showcasing two different application examples to help inspire what you build over the duration of this hackathon. So let's get started. Now, for those who are unfamiliar with Groq, we provide record setting fast AI inference across three modalities, including text, audio, and vision. And we're able to do so because we created our own chip, which we call the LPU, or the language processing unit, which is specifically designed and optimized for the workload characteristics of AI inference to overcome the limitations of legacy technologies like GPUs. And we make this technology available to you all, the masses, through Groq Cloud. Now, just to set the record straight, because I get asked these questions a lot, we don't make these models, and there's no such thing as a Groq LLM. Rather, we stand up and support the leading openly available models because we want to keep the destiny of AI in the hands of everyone versus just the elite few. And our secret sauce behind our performance is the LPU, or the language processing unit. Now, since launching Groq Cloud in late February of this year, we've now grown to over 627,000 developers on that platform who are leveraging Groq to power their applications, showcasing the market's need and hunger for fast, real-time AI inference to unleash the full potential of these Gen AI models. Now, while I'm sure many of you are already actively building with Groq, for those who aren't, signing up for Groq Cloud is easy and free to get started. All you have to do is go to console.groq.com and create an account with your email address, or log in with your existing Google or GitHub account. I will note, do not sign up with an account with an Outlook or Yahoo email address, as those domains are banned. And the cool thing is all of our endpoints on Groq Cloud are OpenAI compatible, meaning it takes only 3 lines of code to switch over your existing application and tap into Groq's fast inference. All you have to do is swap out the base URL, grab your Groq API key, and select the model you want, and you're up and running. We also have support for things like function calling or tool use, streaming in JSON mode, as well as integrations with a number of providers like LangChain, Llama Index, and Vercel AI SDK, just to name a few. And once you have your account, you can tap into the suite of models we have supported, including things like Llama 3, 8, and 70 billion, Mixtral 8 by 7 billion, Gemma 1 and Gemma 2, the suite of Llama 3.1 and 3.2 models, as well as 3 different versions of Whisper v3 Large for speech to text. And while you're in our console checking out our documentation, I highly encourage you to check out our cookbook tutorials to leverage that as a starting point for building your applications. So now that you have a brief introduction to Groq, as well as know how to get started with Groq Cloud, let's dive into 2 different application examples to inspire what you build over the course of this hackathon. The first application I'm going to show you guys is called Scribe Wizard, which you can check out for yourself via that first link, or actually dive into the GitHub project via the second link. Now, to set the stage for Scribe Wizard, if you're like myself, you probably do a lot of research online watching videos. And I can't tell you how many times I watched an entire video on YouTube only to find out that it had no relevant content to what I was looking for. Or on the flip side, I find that video that's exactly what I was looking for, and I wish I was taking active notes while watching it. Well, Scribe Wizard solves that problem. Leveraging a combination of Whisper v3 Large for transcription, it first transcribes the audio from a video, and then passes that transcription to Llama 3 70 billion to build a notes outline, and then passes both that outline as well as the transcript into Llama 3 8 billion to build the body copy. So let's test it out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload an audio file I've already downloaded. Now we'll click Generate Notes. You'll see once it's done transcribing, it's going to automatically quickly generate these structured note outline. And boom, there we go. That 20-minute video, I now have structured notes so I can look back on this and have it for any time I want to review it. I can also go to the top and the generation and actually download this as text or PDF. Now, the next application I have for you guys is StockBot. And to set the stage here, I'm sure many of you buy, sell, or trade stocks in some way, shape, or form. And for you day traders out there, you're probably constantly frustrated with the clunky interfaces of Yahoo Finance and E-Trade. Well, StockBot solves that problem, allowing you to pull up real-time dynamic stock information and charts using natural language. This application leverages a combination of Llama 3 70 billion running on Groq to call different widgets from TradingView, and then has the overall UX wrapper leveraging Vercel AI SDK. And why are we leveraging Vercel AI SDK here? Well, that's because its built-in support for LLMs makes it really easy and simple to build applications like this. And the cool thing is, since we're leveraging TradingView's widgets, we're able to reduce hallucinations from the LLM. We could, for instance, have the LLM generate charts from unstructured data, but that'd be more prone to hallucinations. By leveraging the TradingView widgets, we're able to ensure that what the information the LLM displays is 100% accurate. The only chance for hallucination is that it would call the wrong stock. So let's check it out. So first we can start by saying, show me a stock chart for, or what is the price of Apple? You can see it's displayed the Apple price. Now we can say, now add Now you can see it's added Tesla to the chart. We can zoom in, zoom out, even change the date horizon. I can also say things like, show me a screener. Now let's pull up the top stocks. I can even ask, what recent news might be impacting the price of Apple? You can see now it's displaying those top stories, making it quick, easy, and intuitive to search and find real-time stock information. And I do have to say that StockBot is not intended to provide financial advice, and you should always consult a professional financial advisor before making any trading decisions. Well, I hope both those applications help give you guys some inspiration for what you can build over the course of this hackathon. And if you build something cool powered by Groq, reach out. We're constantly looking for cool and new innovative applications to showcase to the world. And so if you do build something cool, highly encourage you to go to groq.com/showcase and fill out the referral form. And who knows, we might just showcase your work as well. Thank you guys so much, and happy building.